YAH's presence revealed. Invisible you are, yet undeniable, a presence that cannot be ignored. I look outside, and the trees preach sermons. Their branches bend like worshipers, swaying under your command. Your vibrations are strong, your breath shakes the atmosphere, and the sound of your power feels like rooftops could lift under the weight of your voice. We feel your force, we see your effects. It is easy to move when we walk with your flow, but it becomes a struggle when we push against your direction. Unseen you are, yet evidence of you fills the earth. It rises in every creature you shaped. It speaks through every season of life, every circumstance, every closed door and open path. If only our eyes were opened, we would witness your hands in motion, working all things together for the good of those who trust you. To move with the wind is to surrender, to live yielded under the guidance of our Master. Yahushua HaMashiach, where he leads, we follow, not guessing, not doubting, aware that only Yah knows the end from the beginning, and so we choose to flow wherever he commands the wind to blow. Nature speaks, and the message is clear. The unseen is real, and Yah is here.